Louis, what am I doing? What are you doing? Huh? Are you coming to get me? Are you coming to get me? You want scratches? You want scratches? Oh, good scratches. Ooh, that feels so good. Not that hard, Mom. Okay, how's that? Is that better? Ooh, look at that face. Ooh, that's the pretty bird. Who's my pretty bird? Huh? Who's my pretty bird, Louis? Mama loves you. It's like, oh, you rubbed the wrong way. Look at that. There's sun out there today. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable, huh? Can you bark like a dog? You haven't done that for me for a while. Huh? Come on. You're supposed to be making the sounds, not me.